I am Mrs. Conian Talanya Magnaya Gementisa Jr., also named as Mrs. Conian Talanya Magnaya, Quezon the First. About the third floor on the rental house, they not stop on using black magic and then hurting myself. They is on blackmailing myself when it comes onto casket on the third floor about there is a dead person. I not sight yet the corpse inside of the casket on the third floor, and yet they is blackmailing myself and the use of black magic that they will put me on mental, such that Talanya relatives, I sight it on my panaginip that there is casket on the third floor. And then I not did anything wrong. They is killing me. They is harassment. They tends to harass me on the use of black magic. Even neighborhood is as well going there. And then the vibes of Evelyn Talanya is on myself, criminal, harassment. They know to themselves that there is casket on the third floor and yet they is blaming me. The third floor about they is not a person about going indoor. What it is about the third floor is me and Alex Jr. ko. That should be on rental status as well during year 2018 is specific. It is being say of Alex Jr. ko during year 2010. I not know why it is not yet happening or why it is not happens. What I just know is Bakor. The bobo camouflage is killer. Bakor of Kabit. Chismosa they is. I not want to say the opposite of chismosa because of I feel traumatized. They is putting me on traumatization. That is what they is killing portion on my life. Traumatization they is putting so that they could kill me. I am healthy person. I tends to do blood chem on myself every year, once a year. That is why I am healthy. What they're doing is killing myself. And then while I talk in here, the voice on my left ear is anger. Anger towards me because myself is could not be dead of what they doing is killing. I slap my ear because the person is anger towards me. Richel Ang Gementisa Sr. is the voice. Did I say this portion, year 2018, myself being put on dizziness, month of April, that is month of April. The during January 2018, the Facebook of the mother of Alex Jr. ko is Ilocano, talker. Then when it is April already, it turns on to Bisaya, talker. And then from that moment, from January 2018, after I cite the Facebook of the mother of Alex Jr. ko, it suddenly my mind, oh, I not do anything. And yet, what is happening on myself is being manipulates the mind. During year 2018, I not socialized to the mother of Alex Jr. ko. They is just behave when there is about luxury brand. And then they is hurting me when it is about uh, myself. They is killing me, focuses me. And then when I am on April 2018, during year 2018, I am talking today, February 27, 2025. The what it is at this moment they tends to manipulate me. When it comes onto that, there is my self description year 2017 onwards starts of 7 years black magic. I tends to do exercise, stairs exercise, and then I am active. And then when it comes onto schools, myself is being exercised because I am accountancy student. And then feeling is the basis when it comes onto year 2017 onwards. Myself is being killed. Just like of what I am saying, 365 day year 2018. Now they is putting me on deadness so that myself be killed already. So when it comes to April year 2018, they suddenly uh, change the vibes. The vibes on myself year 2018 April is uh, angriness, riot, such that. Tamalian na ba? Kumain na akong breakfast. Civil Engineer Alex Tobias Skin Color. What is this? Scab. Akin lang, okay. So, bad person be dead on this situation of myself. I am goodness, I tell the truth. Could you not think of it? Or others being understood? They talk on my ear of which is they is killing me. They is bad person. Even a specific person that uses black magic knows of what to do about it. My God, I am on a situation of they is criminal. What else? No, indoor on the vibes of April 2018 when it comes onto Facebook of the mother of Alex Jr. ko. It is such as riot. The riot is angriness. And then on myself, the effect of it is heart pain, illness, heaviness, chest pain, chest bone pain, such that year 2018 April. And then what else it is? My mind is being get. Year 2018, April, when they is already when the mother of Alex Jr. At the moment I am talking and then about Bisaya, the mother of Alex Jr. ko is so laugh, happy because myself is being ruined. That is the intensity of the mother of Alex Angjamentisa Jr. ko, Richel Angjamentisa Sr. Bullying it is. It is a form of bullying. I am not kabit, I am original. My family relatives is Catholic. Shameful to that person that is putting me on kabit even though I am not kabit. I not want Danica. Danica is bad person. What else? On Danica Talanya Aguilar, the portion that she is getting from me is the boyfriend girlfriend of me and Alex Jr. ko that should be on a body movement already, such as going on dating. At Pinto Art, they know that there is panaginip indoor. Me and Alex Jr. ko go at Pinto Art. I am with as well the Baywalk kid during that moment, and then me and Alex Jr. ko, and then the interferes is Danica Talanya Aguilar, and then Daniel. nandidiri talaga ako. I not want them. They tends to look on my panaginip and then they is killing me. That is what they're doing. That is how they is criminal. The car that being used of Alex Jr. co-indoor is the color white. It is as well being used of Talia Rosalinda. The portion on in here they saying it Rachel but it is Talia Rosalinda. Kabit ay kabit. Alex Jr. ko says to myself, year 2017, he has no feeling to the person such as Precious Crucendico. But year 2021, what Precious Crucendico is doing on myself is pervertness about reproductive organ, saying bad word such as F-U-C-K. Why oh no. Alex Jr. ko is brown color. I am the person that going the at Inchi continent about hospital. Me and Alex Jr. ko. I already has boyfriend since high school. Why they is interferes? My baby should is not be such this unless my baby is I am with during that moment. My baby will not have a relationship to anyone unless I am with my baby on the house. Gold digger na sa tingo ko. I need help from other country as well as to a specific person because this country, Philippine Kadiri, is so pervert. Gold digger. What is there being gold digger when it comes onto family of myself and Alex ko? Traveling, as well as about Lazada. I not know why. They is gold digger. I not want them. They being them gold digger, myself wants them to be killed, to be dead. I not want bobo camouflage. What else it is? What am I focused on my on this camera video of myself is that is April 2018. Year 2018. So my thinking process during April 2018 when I read the Facebook of Mother of Alex Jr. ko that turns onto Bisaya from Ilocano is such as after I read it, my thinking process is being uh, tends to remove the situation of such as myself is uh, reading the on about Facebook such that, but what is being removed is on my situation year 2018 about life of myself. So what is being removed is life existence such that life existence, meaning to say where to go at, what is my other doing other than this, such that is being they tends to on the use of black magic, killing myself on that portion. You know what it means? If you watch the Facebook live video of myself year 2024, you will know that what is being removed to myself is wait, what is being removed to myself is my panaginip. So year 2018 they tends to that person removes my panaginip, meaning to say moment of myself to Alex Jr. ko. I will I will say about my panaginip to Alex ko. But what it when I am thinking about my panaginip to Alex Jr. ko, the kabit number 2 is as well looking on my panaginip. Kabit number 2, kabit number 6, kabit number 4. They is those person that tends to get my panaginip and then they assume that they is on that moment but it is my moment. I will say about my panaginip. When I say such that, what is being say is what myself wants to say is such as uh, they on talking on my ear and then on my right eye and right forehead about they getting my panaginip. Wait, parang magulo yung salita. I want to eat at the moment. Which is ano, I will, wait lang. There is more 4 minutes. When I will say panaginip, dream in English, the right ear of myself tends to lures me that they is getting my, not the word lures, they tends to get of my panaginip on the use of black magic. When it comes unto that, they use black magic of which is they looking of what is the situation, of what is the about, of what is the happening on that panaginip. Of wherein myself is being put tenga mode inside of this house so that I could not have a happy lifestyle. That is the situation of wherein myself at the moment is on chest pain, which is they is killer. If you cite the sun, not the word sun, the sun tends to be two count. It should be one count only. What they're doing is copying me. They is so bad person. Kabit number 2 is criminal. Joaquin Kadiri, Tony Kadiri, May Kadiri from University Kadiri of Kadiri, Philippine Kadiri. What else? Tahimik ako on that portion. Criminal is criminal. Then kabit number 6 is putting me on fast mode even though myself is on moderate mode. The fast mode of myself is only on research. I will end my camera video at the moment I will eat. 26 minutes and 18 seconds.